The dashboard settings in iThemes Sales Accelerator allow you to determine what information is shown on the Sales Accelerator dashboard if you have enabled this feature. The report types and live updates show you which reports are available to you and lets you decide which options are updated live. The first section of the dashboard is your fast facts. In your settings, you can remove and add items as well as drag and drop to reorder them. The options you can add to the fast facts include products available, total customers, products out of stock, and total sales. If you are using Reporting Pro, you can also choose from waiting payment, average markup, available quantities, low stock products, waiting shipment, and products in stock. The Overview section allows you to choose up to 9 items to show on your Reports dashboard. If you aren't using the Reports Pro module, you can use the Best Category and Total Sales reports. If you are using Reports Pro, you can also select from Best Product, Average Order Amount, Average Product Amount per Order, Product Spot, New Clients, Shipping Method, Refunds, Total Coupons, and Best Country. The first 3 items in your list will show in the top boxes in the Overview section of your dashboard. The Tables section allows you to select a report you would like displayed as a table on your dashboard. Your report options for the Tables section includes Best Customer and Top Countries. Pro users can also select from available quantities, products out of stock, products in stock, best category, best product, refunds, total coupons, payment methods, category distribution by country, zone distribution, orders by order status, orders by operating system, orders by browser, type of products, sales by day, sales by week, and sales by hour. The Charts section shows your reports in charts and graphs. You can select what you want to show in this section from shipping method and customer versus guest, or when using Reporting Pro, you can choose from shipping method, customer versus guest, top countries, orders placed versus orders paid, returning versus new customers, sales by day, sales by week, and sales by hour. The final setting is the Reset Grid option, which resets your entire dashboard to the defaults.